This three-pack of YoLink Smart Wireless Thermometers offers reliable temperature and humidity monitoring across multiple locations, from freezers and refrigerators to greenhouses and pet enclosures. Because the sensors use a long-range, low-power protocol instead of your home wireless network, they maintain a strong signal even through walls, floors, and appliances where typical wireless devices struggle. The included hub and mobile application make it easy to view readings remotely and set custom alerts, so you know right away if a freezer warms up or a greenhouse gets too dry. Alert options through the application, email, and text messages provide flexible ways to be notified, which is especially reassuring when you are away from home for extended periods. The sensors have a very wide operating range and solid accuracy, making them suitable for both very cold storage and warm, humid spaces without frequent recalibration. Long-lasting battery power measured in years rather than months means you can place these sensors in hard-to-reach spots and largely forget about maintenance.